Hello, scientists. Today we're going to talk about a style of writing called claim evidence reasoning, or CER for short. And this is the style of writing that we'll use to answer questions in this class. So when we're given a question or a prompt, we'll go through these three steps, claim, evidence, and reasoning, in order. The first thing we'll do is answer our question simply. Our claim is just a statement that's answering our question. If we're talking about an experiment, say we're using claim evidence reasoning to write our conclusion, we will probably want to include the relationship between our independent and dependent variables. So as the independent variable increases or decreases, the dependent variable increases or decreases in response. Another way to think about this would be to summarize the trend that your graph shows. Thinking about if you have a positive or a negative slope that shows a proportional or an inversely proportional relationship. The next thing we'll do is state some evidence. This is going to be data, maybe numeric data, or observations that support our claim. Something that we're citing that's showing that our claim is true. And again, this can be qualitative or quantitative. Finally, we want to explain to our reader why our evidence supports our claim, and that's what we'll do in our reasoning. We'll answer the question how or why the evidence that we chose backs up our claim. Sometimes we'll want to bring in scientific principles or things that we've learned in class. This might be mathematical formulas, it might be theories. Your reasoning can take a number of different approaches. Your reasoning is also probably the longest piece of this CER format because you're really going to want to show your thinking in your words. Okay, let's walk through an example. In this example, I'm asking the question, should we wear masks? I'm recording this video in early July of 2020, and the current guideline that has just come out about keeping our community safe from COVID-19 is that people should be wearing fabric masks when they go outside or out in public, in addition to social distancing. So I want to know, are these masks worth wearing? Are they really going to prevent the spread of disease? My claim is that yes, wearing a cloth face covering helps prevent people from spreading the coronavirus. A simple statement that's answering my question. In this case, I'm not going to do the experiment, but I'm going to go online and do a little bit of research to see if I can see if someone else has done an experiment. And I found a pretty recent one. It's a little hard right now because there just aren't a lot of studies on this yet, but I did find one out of England. It's from the Cambridge and Greenwich universities. And they did find that homemade masks can dramatically reduce transmission rates if enough people wear them in public. And here I just included a quote. This is qualitative. I didn't pull the actual numbers, but I pulled a qualitative piece of information that supports my claim. Finally, I want to connect these two pieces of information. So in my reasoning, I'm going to say, if a person wears a cloth face covering, then the germs spread from their breathing or coughing, etc., are caught in the cloth and not spread to other people. So I'm including a little bit more information to explain to my reader why this statistic, or quote, I guess I didn't use a number, is true and backs up my claim. That's it for today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.